In this video, I'm going to show you one simple hack which will increase the website speed as well as the Google Page Speed Insights score of your website with one minor change. So here you can see I just ran the Page Speed Insight score right now, and I found like 37 performance for my website. Now, if I want to increase the speed, what I have to do? So if I show you the front end of the website, you can see here it is a simple looking website. I haven't done any changes to this website. It is like very basic website, but most slowest part of this website of the homepage is the slider. And get rid of this slider and replacing with the optimize image can make a huge difference. Optimize, remember, let me show you what is the meaning of optimize. So if I go to maybe home page, like all pages, and select the home, click on edit with Elementor if you are using Elementor. By the way, I'm using the theme called Woostify. Woostify offers the free theme as well. So feel free to check it out, the free theme, a free version. And if you like that theme, you can of course upgrade to pro version. This is the home page. This is the slider. By get rid of this slider can make a big difference. So I just remove the slider. Instead of that, I will gonna input the image here. So let me add the image. So plus sign, plus, and maybe put it here and go to this, drag and drop the image, and you need to choose the image. So upload the image and select files. So I have a bunch of images. If you check here, see this image is a PNG and it is about 23 MB. This one is, I have tried to compress this image and it's still compressed to 10 MB. Now to compress the image, I am using the tool, online tool, which is free tool, image resizer and compressor. So if you search on Google, the first thing will come up is image resizer. Simply click on that, and here you can use the resizer tool as well as the image compressor tool. The thing I have done is, first I have resized image by uploading that big image and resize. Instead of 6912 dimension, I have resized to 2000 by 1000, and then I have uploaded that image again and compressed it to JPEG file and see what happened. The size of that image is only 113 KB. You will see like, oh, that's a huge difference, right? And the image is not looking bad. So for the slider purpose, this is perfect image, and I can upload that image. I can make some changes, like I can put an alt text, and that's what I do whenever I upload any images to my WordPress website. Much easier for me as well to search the image title and then select. Now image is being uploaded. That's what you do. And large image resolution is good, like 1024 by 1024 looks good. So I go with that. Update. Once you update, you can also check it out. How does it look like in front end? You can make relevant changes like image resolution, make it full and update. And if you see the front end, it will make some changes here. So I will go with the higher resolution, which is okay, and looks good as well. Now if I go to the mobile view, which is this one, it is looking a bit odd, right? I will upload another image. So plus, okay, drag and drop. So image, and here I'm gonna upload another image which is specially for mobile only. So this is the one, 73 KB, looks good, and select. And now once I have uploaded this image, what I will do is I'll select these three dots, okay? And here if I go to advanced and responsive, and I will hide this image for desktop and tablet and make it visible only for mobile, right? Same thing I will do for this particular image. So I will click on three dots and advanced, responsive, and I will hide this one for mobile and then update. Now if I check for mobile, you see here only this image is showing up, which is good. right? Now let's check the website speed. So first what I will do is I will refresh the home page. Okay, and now if I go to page speed insight, let me copy this page speed insight and open in new tab. By the time, also let me close this unwanted tab, and now let me run the page speed insight score for new updated images. And voila, you can see now the new change made a huge difference here. Now if you see, the old score was 37, desktop was 63. Here the new score is 59 for mobile and desktop is 70. Another thing I would mention is I would at least go for 3 scans for page speed insight once I make any changes to my website, and check out how much score has been increased, because sometimes it takes few minutes to update the data on Google page speed insight and get the accurate results. So I will run the score again. Now you see here the score is dropped a bit versus before was 37. Again, you need to scan another time and see whether the score updates or not. And third time is a charm. Now score is even increased a lot. So now it's 68 for mobile and for desktop is 89. That's a huge difference, right? Compared to before with old image. Here you can see this was the old slider image and it was taking a lot of space and lot of speed consumption. Now with one minor change made a huge difference. And of course you must go into that path. You see here largest contentful paint now taking only 3.6 seconds compared to before was 8.1 second. The same technique works in any pages you want to optimize. As long as you optimize the images of those pages, the page speed will increase straight away. And the score on Google Page Speed Insight will have a huge lift. Thanks for watching this, guys. If you learned something new today, please thumbs up to this video, and also please comment me in comment box below what kind of videos you like to watch in future related to your WordPress website, or even if you have a Shopify website, I create Shopify videos as well. Please subscribe to this channel if you are here for the first time so you will not miss any kind of videos in the future. Until next time, thanks for watching. Take care. See ya. Bye bye.